today I am going to be showing you guys how to make these different kinds of envelopes. They are super easy to make. First up, what you'll need is a piece of scrapbook paper. What I use is just a 12 by 12 inch, or you can just use any square piece of paper that you would like to turn into an envelope. You're just going to need a pair of scissors and a glue stick, but I would not recommend using glue sticks on thick paper. I would recommend using a lot stronger glue, like permanent glue or a hot glue gun or something like that, just so it gives it more, just so that'll definitely stick on there. The first thing what you're going to do is you're going to turn your paper backwards, and then you're going to fold it in half, corner to corner. Then just fold it right here, just in the middle there. Then you're going to flip it, and then do the exact same side, and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Fold it right there. And what you're going to do is you're going to take these two corner pieces and meet them right in the middle where that mark is. And you're going to fold the sides. And with this bottom piece, you're going to fold it up, but not all the way. You're going to leave about a ½ inch room. Then fold it like that. And then you are going to take and fold in the corner pieces about 1 inch. Do that on both sides. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the bottom and fold it up until it reaches the very top of here. Just fold that. Okay, and then once you reach this step, there's a couple things that you can do. If you want to, you can just leave it like this and just glue it here, here, and here, and put a little glue there, and then just glue it like this. But because I like my envelopes to be less bulky, what I do is I cut this piece off right here. And then what I do is I open it all back up. And then I cut this triangle out, and I cut out this huge triangle out on both sides here. And all that does is it just makes the envelope less bulky. And it'll also make your envelope weigh less. Then once you cut out all your triangles, you're just going to fold these back down, fold this up, and then what I like to do is take my glue stick and I just glue these two corner pieces down. Then I'm going to take my glue stick again and I'm going to just glue right over here. Oh my gosh, I keep getting glue on my paper. And glue over here. And I put a little glue right there, and right there. And then just fold it up. Like so, press it down. Okay, and then the final step is you are just going to fold this down as even as you can get it. Just like so. And ta-da! You now got an envelope. Nice, perfect envelope. So yeah guys, that is how I make my envelopes, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. And if you guys want to, go ahead and subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you guys next time.